Hey there, hey. Living in America. So we talk affordable housing here. Yes, while living here in America, we keep up with global events and the news, and we talk about things that affect America, especially our housing market. So it is said a lot of people are fleeing America to move to different countries, offering them a better life, a more quality life, a less expensive life. All right. So the UN, yes, the UN Assembly got together and the General Assembly has passed a resolution recognizing slavery. So they have recognized slavery and they had a vote shock with how the US voted. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about those shock waves that are riveting through, yes, America, about how they voted. All right. Not only is it riveting through America, it's just riveting through the world, right? So the shock. Well, let's see. This is how the vote turned out, guys. Yes, on March 25th, 2026, the UN General Assembly, yes, they adopted a resolution recognizing the transatlantic slave trade as the gravest crime against humanity. This was initiated by Ghana. All right, so it passed with 123 countries in favor and 3 against it, including the United States, Israel, and Argentina. All right. 52 abstained, including the UK and 27 of the EU members. All right. So here it is. I'm going to allow you to look at that for a minute here so you can see. So in favor was 123 countries. Against it was 3 countries, and 52 countries abstained. So the countries that voted against it again was United States, Israel, and Argentina. The ones that abstained was 27 European Union countries. And the ones that are most talked about are the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Poland. All right. So those main countries that were in favor, of course, was Ghana, who's the sponsor of the resolution, China, Russia, India, Brazil, South Africa, and most of the countries across Asia, Latin American countries, and Africa. All right? So, leave me your comments. Leave me your thoughts. Are you shocked that the United States was not in favor? Some of you are probably saying, no. And that's probably why a lot of people have been fleeing, especially in the African American communities. But overall, the U.S., with the expensive prices of things and inflation and the high cost of living, as far as housing mainly, are fleeing and blocking somewhere else is what's going on, right? So I wanted to give you guys this information so you can look at it. You have it for yourself. You can come back to something to talk about with your families. Yes, something to consider. So probably nothing new, as I said, for many of you as far as being a global shock factor. Let me say this is a justice initiative, a start of something. It's nothing legally binding. All right? A start. of talks. But you be well, stay safe. I love you so much. I'll see you again on the next video.